Hello friends, welcome to brand new tutorial of Learn Code with Uncle. In today's tutorial, we have discussed about Spring Boot one-time token. For better understanding, I have created one PPT, so I will show you that. This is PPT, guys. Okay, Spring Boot one-time token implementation, secure and authentication and verification. Okay, so second slide will be that we have introduction. What is one-time token? Why do we have used prevent replay attacks, add extra security layer? Common in password reset, email verification, secure API calls. Use cases. Password reset links, phone email verification, temporary API access, payment authorization, token characteristic, unique random hard to guess, valid for single use only, short expiry time, invalid after use. Conclusion. One-time token enhance security, prevent misuse and replay attacks. Easy to implementation with Spring Boot. Okay, this is the PPT slides. Basically, main thing will be that we have created one Spring Boot application and we have implement the security in the Spring Boot application, and we have using the one-time token. Means we have created one URL, and that URL we have sent to the our user email or SMS. Okay, that is the implementation, guys. So we have to see that how we can implement that. And for better understanding, we have to Spring official document. Here we can see all these details, how we can implement Spring Boot, and how what is the difference between one-time token and one-time password, and what is the token delivery, token generation, and default login page, sending token to user, like all these security config class, all these things will be here in the Spring Boot official documents. Okay. So we have created one new Spring Boot project, and we have creating line by line code. So if you new in my channel, then subscribe my channel, please bell icon. Okay, guys. I have created start.spring.io. Okay, this is the official Spring Boot page, guys. We are using Java project Maven and Spring Boot version 5.6.5 3.5.6. Okay, and Spring Security will be implement 6.4 version. Okay, then here we can give the path package name, learn with Sankalpa dot Spring OTT one time token. Okay, and ultimate will be Spring Boot time. Okay, this is guys. Then description will that Spring Boot one time token implementation. Okay, and this is the Spring, guys. Then package name will be that Spring Boot one time token. The capital letter will be not allowed in package, so we have remained it there. Okay, then we have to jar, and we have using Java version 21. Okay, and here we can add the dependency like web, and two dependency we have needed like web and security. Okay, two dependency we have needed. Then we have needed the project. Okay, our project is created, guys. We have moved that project in the our dictionary. One time token, new unit 2. Okay, and unit 2, and we have to paste this. Okay, and we have extract here. Okay, here we have extracted the project. Okay, then we have to copy this link, and we have using the IntelliJ IDEA, or we have to open this like here. So open with No, it is no here. IntelliJ. Okay. Here we have opening the IntelliJ IDEA and we have importing the project. Open, and here we can open the project. Spring Boot project. Spring Boot one-time token. Unit 2. This and this. Okay, we have imported this. Okay, our one new brand new project is open, guys. Then we have to create the code. Okay, so we have to add one dependency for time leap. Okay, we have creating front end also. So we have adding one dependency is why time leap Maven dependency. Okay, this is Spring Boot Maven dependency, time leap dependency, which I have to add in this. Okay, Spring Boot starter. We have added starter. Boot starter time leap dependency. Okay. Okay. This is Spring Boot starter time leap dependency. Okay, we have copied this and import in the form.xml file. We have imported that and we have version. We have removed the version. Okay, version is managed by Spring Boot internally. Okay, then we have to create the controller layer. Okay, then here we can see that our package, inside the package we have create new package like dot controller, and inside the controller we have create new class. Okay, that class name will be that page controller. Okay, okay, page controller, and here we can give the annotation like @controller. Okay, and here we can give the mapping. We have to giving the two mapping. For that we have one home and we have one dashboard. Okay, then we have public string home return home. Okay, and here we can giving the mapping like @request mapping, and we have giving the slash. Okay, then second thing will be that public string dashboard return dashboard B, and here you can giving the @request mapping and dashboard. Okay, we have save that. This is okay, guys. Then we have create two templates, home and dashboard. Then we have creating templates in the this file, new HTML file like home. Okay, and here you can add the CDN. Okay, for CSS. So here you can add the CN like tailwind CDN. Okay, CDN link, tailwind CDN link. Okay, this is link, guys. Then we have to paste this link inside the our page. Okay, and here you can add the first layer. We have add the home page. Okay, then here you can add like h1 h1 like welcome to the login page. Come to OTT login page. Okay, then here we can add the Mm, we have add the paragraph like here we have implementing Spring Boot OTT. Okay, okay. Then here we can add one button. Okay, for login. So here we can add the button. For button, we have adding the tailwind one button class. Button classes. Okay, tailwind button. Okay, here we can have button. We have copy one button and paste here. And here you can say that login. Okay, here you can our login button. Okay. Then second thing will be that we have run the project and we have checked that how we are our project is behaving. So here you can right click, run as, debug as. We have debugging as Spring Boot application. Okay, see that 8080 one time token will be false. Okay, then here we can add like HTTP 8080 HTTP localhost 8080. What is happening? HTTP localhost 8080. Okay, here we can getting the login page. Okay, that's all, guys. Our we have added Spring security dependency. That for that it will be getting the login page. Okay, then we have to add the config package. Then we have add like new package like config. Okay, inside config package we have add the class like security config. Okay, and here we can add the details. Okay, then firstly we have add the configuration. Okay, second we have add the one user detail service class. Then we have to add bin public user detail service, and here you can give the user. Okay, user dot with username, and here you can give the username like Sankalpa, and we have given the password like dot password like password we have given like no. Okay, this is the Spring Boot format, guys. So in password will be that 12344 12345 6. Okay, and we have to dot build. Okay, let's go also, guys. We have added noop and then build. Okay, and we have a header here. Return return new in memory user manager, and here you can pass the user. Here you can give the one user. Okay, and here you can pass the user. Okay, Okay, then we have to save this and rerun this project. See what happening. Okay, we have passes the project, and here you can refresh the page. Okay, then here you can giving the username and pass. Okay, we are getting this page. Okay, means our Spring Boot implementation is working. If you have hit again, we have using the incognito window. Then we have using the Sankalpa and password giving we have wrong. This is giving the wrong password. Okay, that's all, guys. We have implemented the Spring Security and it will be routing to the our uh, is this controller. Okay, this controller it will be routing. Okay, then we have to create the dashboard page. Okay, home page and dashboard page. Here we have home page. It is returning to home page. So home.html. Then why it is not running home.html, home.html. Okay, then okay, guys, we have forget to rerun our project. Means Marvin build application is running. Then we have added the time leap dependency. Na? Then we have to reload our project. Then we have restart our project and see what happens. Okay, our project is running 80804. Then we have opened the link again. Then we have add the Sankalp password like 12345 Okay, then we have to okay, we have getting the login page. Okay, this is the login page. Login page it is basically, guys, visible for all users. We have secure the dashboard page. Okay, then we have creating the dashboard page. Here we can copy this page like dashboard page. So, okay, dashboard.html. Okay, and here you can add the two buttons. Okay, firstly we have add the button like for dashboard. We have adding the different class. Here different class we have using for dashboard. Okay, and here dashboard we have different class, and here you can using the principal for the um, showing the username. Okay, then here you can add the principal inside the dashboard login page. Okay, then here can the principal and we have the model for the sending the data to the backend to the front end. Okay, this is the model. We are importing the class model. Okay, and here you can giving the model dot add attribute, add attribute, and here you can giving the user, giving the username and principal dot get name. Okay, this way we have getting the name from the backend and showing the front end. Okay, then here we can add the name like front end. Okay, then here we can add our user name. Okay, for that here we can add the user h1 class is equal to ext dash 5 1. ph colon text equal to user. Okay, and here we can the user giving the user to the our yeah. Why this is which one will be not closed? Here it's not p closed, but it is also closed. Rerun our project and see what error we have getting. 8080 port, and here we can giving the request, and here we can giving the username and password 123456. Sign in. First this, then here we can getting the user. Okay. Why this not coming? Inside login page, we have add the dashboard page button also. We have missed that, so we have adding dashboard button. Dashboard. Okay, and here we can add the one on click event. This is on click event we have added. Okay, for this clicking we have given the dashboard URL. Okay, then we have written our project. So it is running, guys. Then we have to reget this, and we have hitting this Sankalp 12456. Okay, and here you can plus this dashboard page. We have getting the dashboard. Okay, we have getting the dashboard. Okay, this is the main simple security, guys. Then we have to add the Spring Security one-time token. Okay, for that we have adding the one another method inside the config package. Inside config package, we have adding another method like @bin public security filter chain, like security filter chain http security http security http security, and here we can add the http security dot authorize authorize request, and here we can use the lambda expression like authorize http request authorize http request 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 dot request matcher, and we have allow this dash. Okay, dot authorize authenticated. dashboard dashboard dot authenticated dot any request permit on. Any request we have permitting on. Okay. Then we have to why this error is coming. We have throwing the exception. Okay. Then HTTP security dot form login custom report. Okay. Uh, okay. And that's all, guys. Then here we can returning the HTTP security. Here we can add have another method like dot one time default dot one time token login like customizer. Okay, and here we can return the HTTP security dot build. Okay, then we have to build the security, guys. Okay, then how we can scale the Spring Boot? We have implement the one-time token, so that we have implement the code, another code. So code will be that we have to make the another package, another class. Okay, then class will be that new class magic link generator. Okay, and here you can use the component implement. It will be implements one time token generation handler. One time token generation handler. Okay, and here we can implement one method. Implement method. We have handle method implement. Okay, and inside this method we have to getting the token. Okay, then we have to one time token dot get token value, and here we can pass the token value. Okay, and here you can logic will be that send to email or SMS. Okay, so that here you can the printing the token in console layer. Yes, sir. Okay, token value. Okay, that's all, guys. Then we have to add the one success handler. Okay, for create the magic links. Okay, so we have here we can add one success handler. For that, here we can add the bin private one time success handler is equal to new redirect success handler. Here you can give the one our which API will be a completion of the success means we have a link generated, and which UI page will be displayed. Then OTT slash save. Okay, then here you can give the semicolon. Okay, uh, okay, then here you can give the semicolon. Okay, then for the generate link we have creating one component layer. Okay, then here we can add one another. Okay. For link creation, we have adding this code for link creation. Okay. Then we have creating URI component builder. URI component builder is equal to URI component builder dot home HTTP URL. Home HTTP URL URL util dot build full HTTP URL and here request. Okay, and then we have to replace the path. Okay, and then URI dot replace path, and we have to request dot get context path. Okay, and then we have to URI dot path. We have giving path like which path we have here. We giving OTT slash send. OTT slash send. Okay, then URI component builder dot query param token. We have given the token value here. Okay, and then we have to print the magic link. Yes, out magic link. Okay, and here we can URI component builder plus URI component builder dot to URI string. Okay, and here we can give the another method like HTTP local host 808. Okay, that's all, guys. We have creating the link. Okay, then we have to success handler. We have giving the success handler dot handle, and here we can give the request response and one time token. Okay, and then we have to add the page controller. Okay, then you have to public string OTT send uh, send success handler. Okay, and then we have to using the @ request mapping, like @ nothing like OTT slash send. Okay, and here we can create the method like return. We have create one HTML page. Okay, OTT hyphen send. Okay, here we can create one HTML page. Okay, we have created here HTML page. OTT send success page. Okay, and no need to any. We have giving here no need to here. OTT sent to the user fully. Okay, and here you can giving the login page dashboard. Login page. Go to log, and here you can give the like login page URL. Okay, here you can give the on click login page for this. Here. Okay, that's all, guys. Then we have to run this project. Java annotation not completes this annotation. Okay, this is not required, guys. This is mistakenly happens. Okay, then we have rerun our project and check we have able to generate our token or not. Okay, our project is running 8080 port. Then we have to run this. Okay, we have one token request one time token is be visible. Okay, then we have to not need to log in. We have to give the username like Sankal. We have send token. Okay, OTP send success page. OTP sends user to successfully. Then we have to lock that token. Here we have getting the link. Okay, then here we can the magic link will be getting, guys. Then we have complete that link inside the browser. What happened? HTTP. No. Here some problem happen. No need to give the here his link. Okay, then we have to run our project. It will be double printing, guys. This double printing. We have to remove this. Then project is running, guys. Then we have rerun our project. Okay, here we can give the token. Okay, token will be getting, and here we can giving the magic link, and we have able to access our dashboard page or not. So here we can page this. Then we have OTP success page, send page, and the login. Okay, we go to the login page and OTP sent successfully. Here we can get in the why it will return into the OTP page. OTT send. OTT send. After login, we have to paste this. Yes, we have rerun our project and see. Rerun our project. Okay, then we have to go in that link. We have to log in. That's all, guys. We have rerun our project. Okay, our project is running, guys. Then we have to open this link and we have to go to dashboard. It will be giving the my page. Then we have to giving the password like Sankal. Okay, it will be OTP will be sent. Then we have going into this page and here we are clicking the it will be given the token. Okay, this token we have giving here. Okay, after sign in we have login to the page. Okay, okay, dashboard page. Okay, that's all, guys. Thank you very much. I hope you have understand the concept of Spring Boot one time token. Thank you. If you new in my channel, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. Okay, guys, thank you.